So it's close to 6:30 a.m. right now here in Tokyo, and I'll be headed to a tour I have planned to Mount Fuji, Hakone and Lake Ashi. So yeah, let's just get started right into it. So I'm at Mount Fuji right now, and apparently it's -7 degrees Celsius. I can't believe that for some reason, because I don't feel that cold over here right now. So not sure what they meant by -7 degrees, but yeah, it is pretty cold. The view looks really good. Guys, I'm literally freezing right now. It is really cold, and I didn't wear the clothes accordingly. I think even my voice is a lot muffled right now due to the cold. I think wild experience. I think. Hi guys, so we are gonna be having some Japanese lunch. So at this cute little place which has a
just
buffet
stay here, yeah. Oh, just stay here.
and a few more things.
Here.
Right there. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
12:30 to
Some ninjas right there. So we are in Hakone right now, and we're going to be doing the cable car experience soon. So yeah, I got excited about that, but I'm a bit sleepy also right now, as you can tell by my expressions maybe. So yeah, let's see how the experience is going to be like, because it's too windy. Guys, this is near Hakone, and it's really windy and cold over here. So yeah, So guys, we are near
Water
Lake
spider.
Ashi,
That's cute.
and we're gonna be doing the cruise over here. I think it's gonna be for an hour long. I've done a couple of cruises before, but this one feels it's gonna be nice, and it's my first experience during the winters and in a windy time. So let's see how things go.
Go to south.
Guys, we are waiting for a bullet train, and I think it'll be good if we capture a bullet train just passing by our station, because it's insane how fast the trains move, but it's kind of smooth. So yeah, I'll just keep the camera on waiting to see if a bullet train crosses us. The one over there is just gonna start from here, so it's not a good example. But I'm just hoping that we'll see a bullet train just pass by very quick from the station and not stop.